Beshi Cells, for Witty Wednesday question, what is the most abundant type of white blood cell or WBC in a healthy adult? Letter A, neutrophils, letter B, monocytes, letter C, lymphocytes, or letter D, eosinophils. The correct answer is letter A, neutrophils. Meron po tayong mnemonic na pwedeng gamitin dito. Pwede nyo pong sabihin sa inyong sarili to never let monkeys eat bananas. That stands for neutro po ang pinakamataas, susundan ng lymphocytes, and then followed by monocytes, and then eosinophils and basophils. So one more time, never let monkeys eat bananas. Just to give you an idea, galing po sa Rodax 6th edition, ito po mga percentages na ibibigay ko po sa inyo. Take this down. Neutrophils, 50 to 70%. Lymphocytes, 18 to 42%. Monocytes, 2 to 11%. Eosinophils, 1 to 3%. And basophils, 0 to 2%. Again, never let monkeys eat bananas. That's all for today. Remember that Jesus loves you. Bye!